Morning. A few weeks ago, well, about somewhere in March, we put some leaves in for cuttings, and I promised that I would show you how to take them off and pot them on into small pots. So we've got a variety here, and as you can see, some of them are quite large and some of them are not so large. So we'll dig it out of the compost and remove as much of as we can of the old, and lie it down. Well, we can lie it down like that, and we get our hand between the old leaf and the new cuttings and just ease the old leaf off as best we can. Like so. Now we end up with a complete row of large ones from the one end, which is the end that was prominently nearer the base of the plant when we took the leaf off, and small ones the other end. If we start to split them up, they should just pull off quite easily. Everyone's a plant. We've lost the root on that one, so we'll put that one away. We can afford to lose that one. When we get to the bigger ones, we'll separate them a little bit easier, and that size could be planted directly into a 3.5 inch pot. So we'll put that one just to one side, another one there, and two more there. What we require to pot them in is a small 2 inch, 6 centimetre, 6.5 centimetre pot. Dwarf pots if you can get them, if not, it'll have to be a full size. Compost, ordinary multi-purpose, nothing need be added. We've got a plant like that, we just pot it normal, that would be potted perfectly alright. Write the label out. This particular one is Alison, and that's it. Approximately 3 months time that will be ready to go into a 3.5 inch pot. This bigger one, again, we are going to use this one with the other 3.5 inch pot. Pot gently, label again. That's that. These very small ones, if you want to save them, the ideal thing would be to put them into a tray, and we'll fill the tray with compost. And I prefer just to drop the compost, the tray once, to just firm the compost down, and we can just put these in actually as if they were bedding plants, what we used to term when we were doing those as pricking out. And every single one will produce a lovely sized plant in another 6 to 8 weeks. Those then can be taken out and either potted into a 3.5 or into a 6.5 centimetre pot, a 2 or a 3.5 inch. We'll try and follow these through the system, so in approximately 3 months' time we will come back and look at these particular variety at Allison and see how it's grown and see how far it is off from flowering.